Alright, this is the other elevator here at Paseo Tec in Monterrey, Mexico. We have another Gen 2. And right there's your MP. And here it is. I'm gonna point the camera down in case if anyone's on it. No, they're not. Alright, up to 1. And it's a Gen 2, if I can see it right. I think from 2008. I'm not sure. We're at 1. Oh my god, that doesn't sound good. S2. Here at parking level 2. Alright, up to the main floor, we're gonna end it there. Real nice Gen 2 elevator. Hello. Oh, someone's getting on. Did not expect that. Sube?
Sí.
Adelante.
Gracias. Salud.
Voy a bajar acá.
Adelante.
Alright, here we are back now. So, I'm gonna let it go. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.